So welcome back, new episode, just vanning it. Please hit the like and subscribe button if you're enjoying the content. Really appreciate it, help us grow our channel. So we pick up from last vlog. We're just pulling up into Craddock. So we're gonna try and stay at the Craddock Hotel and for the night, and then tomorrow we actually head into the Flinders Ranges. So we're only about 80 k's now from Flinders. So let's see if we can find some cold beer.
Good day, welcome to our channel, Just Vanning It. We plan on taking 2 years to travel the big lap of Australia, exploring coastlines, capturing picturesque scenery, discovering remote destinations, and visiting iconic Australian landmarks. We'll be travelling in our trusty Ford Ranger and trusty Explorer caravan. Free camping and budget camping our way around Australia.
Hi, I'm Derek.
And I'm Sue.
And this is our English Bulldog, Sophie.
Sit back, relax, and come along on our greatest journey, sharing our adventures, building our memories, and hopefully inspiring others to do the same.
You're living on this corner of the world. The only good was up on Forest Cave.
So I pulled up to Craddock Hotel and unfortunately it's a no-go. Pub camping closed, pub closed, so obviously there's no cold beer. So the only next thing is we're going to travel through to a little town called Hawker, and yeah, we've got to get some bread and stuff anyway, and then we'll make some decisions from there and see if there's a park we can get into somewhere for the night. It looks like we've got to have internet, that's the only problem. So anyway, it's no use dribbling over it. Let's go, let's get to Hawker. I look the go for the Flinders, don't I? Well, pulled up to a rest stop. It's free, internet, stay here the night. But the best thing is we're on the outskirts of the Flinders, and if I swing this around, there they are. So I reckon the skies stay nice and open. We'll have a good night and maybe a bit of Milky Way. Well guys, the sun's going down. We're getting our first taste of the Flinders, and we just can't wait to get in the Flinders. This has been on our bucket list from the get-go when we left on our big lap, and here we are in the middle of nowhere on a gravel pit. What do you think?
Cheers. I think it's great.
Huh? Look at this, guys. Look at that for a view. And I forgot to mention, free camp. We might not be in the Flinders, but we're bloody close. So we'll sit back, crack a beer, got the fire going, and watch this beautiful sunset.
'Cause when times come around and you go for it now, you will win anyway. There's no dust, blue sky away. There's no colors of fate.
Wow guys, what a way to wake up. Let me take you and show you this beautiful sunrise over the Flinders. Our first morning. Let's go outside and have a swing. It's bloody cold, but I should give you a little sneak peek here. Look at this. Just bloody epic. Wow, looks good. So see if we can get into a park tonight. I've emailed them. Let's just wait for an email back. If we can, we'll go in about 12. We need to recharge the batteries and stuff. So, but we'll sit back this morning, have a cup of coffee, watch that.
You're only once at this life. You're only once at this life. You're only once at this life.
Righto, time to pack up. Awesome little stop this. Awesome sunset, awesome sunrise this morning. So we'll pack up quickly, head to our caravan park that we booked into for the night. Called them up. They got a spot for us, so it's got power, water. It's a top park, so we'll head back. I don't know how far it is, but let's pack up and get on the road. So here we are, guys. First station, Flinders for us tonight. Rawnsley Park Station. Have a look at that. Beautiful sign. Apparently they got a... wow, that sun is pretty bad on that, eh? Hope you can see. I can't see. Apparently, looks like we've got fuel, and we're staying here the night. So it's only about a K. It's part of the top parks, top holiday parks. And let's go and get set up and just wind down for the evening and see what else is there to do.
That little boy on your street that knocked you off your feet. Well, him I'll eat a side of cranberry, what a treat.
So right, guys, we just got here. We got our envelope. Everything is contactless. We're at site number 16, power and water. Looks like we've got a concrete slab as well. So I'm just going to try and back her in.
What you see in the daytime, they just won't believe. When the night comes, they'll be tossing in their sleep. They are watching out for me. Yeah.
So just a quick afternoon little trip into the Flinders. Left the caravan in Subic at the park, but they got stuff to do, so I was told to go out and explore while the sun's up. So I've just come across this little information board. I don't know, you are here. So guys, I don't actually know. So it's going to head up here to here, and from there we'll see what the go is. I think tomorrow we're heading up, we're actually moving the caravan tomorrow somewhere here. But yeah, we're not going to do anything too dangerous, but just jump in the ute, see if we can find a little track to go on, do some photography. I don't know. No plans. So today's drive, guys, was a bit of a disaster. Couldn't find anything, eh?
No.
But it was good to get out, have a little look around.
We did a bit of backpacking.
And came back, the shop opened up, bought a bag of wood for the fire tonight, and we got a map. So unfortunately tomorrow we've got to be out of here by 10, but we're going to Willow Springs, and from there there's a few tracks we can see, so we'll hopefully get there. We might as well just leave here early tomorrow, get into Willow Springs, set up for 2 days there and get out on the tracks and go and do some exploring.
But for tonight, snacks around the table, wine is in the glass,
What have we got here?
and there's a ripper fire building outside.
The ripper fire outside. Let me go outside and show you. There we go. So yeah, alright guys, so we'll just sit back tonight and relax, take it easy, sit around the fire, have a yarn and have a couple of beers and cook some dinner. Friday morning guys, we're up. How was last night, love? Good?
Good.
Hey, we had a nice fire.
Wine was exceptional.
A couple of beers. Had a little yarn with a couple of people around. It's quite nice. Quick spot of breakfast. We've got a half an hour. We've got to be out of here. So we're going to quickly pack up, get on the road. Next stop is Willow Springs in the Flinders Ranges. We're staying there 2 nights. So we're here. Sky Trek Willow Springs Station. Look at that. I don't know how far we got to go along this road, but yeah, looks bloody good. There, the Flinders in the background. So yeah, we've passed a few things we want to do today. So what we'll do is we'll go park up the van at the station. Don't know, we might have to get someone to look after Sophie or leave Sophie in the van. We'll see how it all plays out. But well, we're excited. Let's get there. Woohoo! Look who's behind the wheel.
It's dangerous.
See who's having a little go at driving. Guys, we're about 1.5 k's out of Willow Springs, but yeah, the road's pretty corrugated, so we're just taking it slowly. Huh?
Take it slowly. Very
Oh, I can't wait to get exploring today. Whoopah! Well, guys, we had pulled up to Willow Springs. We had Eagle campsite number 2 right by the kitchen, where apparently there's internet, so that looks good. So guys, yeah, we're parked up there. Sorry about the sun. Sun's just behind us over there. Guys, and the fireplace, like, this is bloody great. The only other guy camping is over there. Nicely spaced apart, which is bloody great. So what we're going to do now is we'll quickly set up, and now we're going to jump in the car and go do some exploring. So righto, first little tour drive. Just as you come in on the other side of the Flinders Ranges, we're doing the Banneroo Gorge and the Bachina Gorge. I don't know if we'll get to the Bachina Gorge, but anyway, whoopah, let's do it! So we're at the lookout point, guys, but look at that. Just Sue's by the tree. She wants a tree in.
I like the tree.
So I'm just going to drive a little bit further down, a few hundred meters down. I think there's a better place there. Grab some photos of the nice Flinders Ranges and keep exploring.
Go and take the long way, the long way. Go and take the long way, the long way, the long way. Go and take the long way, the long way. Come back and you tell me I'm wrong. Don't wanna be led out way. Share was long, 'cause when the liquor is strong, we start singing along, singing along. Always stand up, is making the call. A few boys in the back.
Well, peeps, what a bloody great day, hey? What do you reckon?
Awesome. Fabulous.
Now we're just unwinding by the fire. How good is that? Temperatures are dropping. Sophie's on the chair. And we're just going to sit around tonight and take in and chat about what our day today, how good it was. But we have booked and paid for the Sky Trek trail tomorrow. 7 hours long, so we'll get up early tomorrow and hit the road. We got the key for the gates. Sophie's allowed to come with, but you just got to be very careful. And yeah, guys, this is a pretty good campsite. What do you reckon?
It's a great campsite.
I think it's bloody fantastic.
Great carpet
Kitchen's just behind us. I don't know where the toilets are though, but
behind the kitchen.
behind the kitchen. Righto. So So guys, yeah, we're just going to sit back tonight and take it in, have an early night I think, and get up early tomorrow to do the sky trek. So we'll catch you tomorrow. So right guys, today we're doing the famous sky trek. So it's about 80 k's along. The lady at the information desk gave us a pamphlet with all the marked spots that she's hinted to us that we should stop at. And yeah, it costs us $60. You get a key, you return the key when you get back, and that way they know you have returned safely as well. Roughly 7 hours, that gives us an hour, included is an hour's lunch break up on the hill. So there's 3 toilets along the track. Guys, yeah, so pretty much let's get straight into it. We're super excited.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave, so close to the edge of something so perfect.
So this is old Moccasins Hatch. It was built at the turn of the century, and I believe that until 1960s it actually housed one of the station employees. So a little bit of history, and pretty cool just to jump out and get a look at it. So very basic, quite drafty, but yeah, it's great that they've restored it and they've kept it as part of the track.
So we're halfway through the sky trek. We stopped at the lunch area. It's an old, or dried up creek bed I should say. There's some tables and chairs up there. There's a toilet. So we were just parked up over here. Got a little stove going. And cook up some toasted sandwiches, and then we've got to tackle that to get out of here. Looks interesting.
You have the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any
So that was lunch. We had a good feed, eh?
Fantastic.
Sometimes the simple things in life. Yeah, we got up that hill, so now we're doing the last 40 k's of the sky trek. So we're just sitting around the fire, guys, having a chat about today's experience. How did you find today?
It was amazing. There were some incredible views and incredible scenery, very different to what we've seen before, and I think that was probably the best part of it.
Yeah, guys, it took us 7.5 hours. We used about a 40-minute lunch stop, and we stopped to do filming and stuff. So yeah, 7.5 hours.
It's a full day.
It's a full day. Now we're just sitting around an awesome fire.
Having a fire.
And guys, yeah, that's it for this vlog. If you're liking the content, hit the like and subscribe button. Follow us on our journey and share with family and friends. I really appreciate it. And yeah, this will be part 1 of the Flinders. We're staying a few days here, so we'll do another vlog on the rest of the Flinders for you. Until next time, see ya.